Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 13. In this video I'll show you how to use Siri to send messages. Firstly, go to Settings and enter Siri and search. Then enable Siri and make sure these functions are available. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Now we can say, Hey Siri, send a message to Lynn.
What would you like to say?
Hey, how are you?
Your message to Lynn says, hey, how are you? Ready to send it?
Send.
You'll need to continue in the app.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.